One of the most problem that our youth are facing in this temporary, how can we empower the youth in the country? That is Somalia. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. عبد الرحمن، فيلس، عبد الله، عبد الرزاق، سود هذا دمانتي. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. Okay, welcome all of you. I think we can start our meeting so that the rest can join us later. What do you think, Soma? I hope everybody knows the topic tonight. It's a topic that I sent in the group. I say everybody should find some points and we will discuss, inshallah. And later on, we will try to find a solution to one of the most problem that our youth are facing in this temporary world. Okay, the topic was, how can we empower the youth in the country? That is Somalia. موضوعنا wuxuu ku saabsanaa waxaan yani qaabkee loo horumarin karaa yani dhalinyarta wacyigelin loogu sameyn karaa loogu horumarin karaa dad tayale looga dhigi karaa. The word empower, it has a lot of meaning and I think we can define it in a different way. Who can start for us to give us some points concerning on this topic? Somebody to raise up his or her hand. موضوع يا سوسو دياري. Okay, Phyllis. Ladies first, eh? Okay. Phyllis, you can start. Give us some points on how can we empower the youth in the country.
First one, firstly, in education and skill development.
Okay, just finish your points, then we will discuss. Finish your points. Give us the point that you have.
And okay, improve access to quality education and at all levels, especially in rural areas, providing educational training and